Wemele ke Shillong West suba Mohendro Rapsang ula Pyntip bekidan haduh nyopong ki briew Kiba Ioh COVID-19 Lower Mawprem berkidan ru katto katne ki jaka ki khang ke rung kami ula Pyntip ru bakaladan ke jingkhang ke rung kami Lumdiengjri bat nak liang ke jong ula Pyntip bama lem ber ki nongpyniaid shnong ki pyrshang ber pynbiang ru baroh ki jingdonkam ula ai kublei ru ki officer katana ka koi kakhia ki magistrate ki nongkit kam shnong lem ber ki asha.
Anything they controlled me, cases, how many cases, when they need any help to give them ration to those houses, affected houses, I'm always helping them. And then I never go myself, but I just send the material to them and they distribute it to the people affected area. So it is alarming because it is congested area also, but they have really taken care. But I must thank the ASHA workers. They have really done a wonderful job. They are on the forefront. They have taken up the matters very seriously. Recently, they are afraid about themselves also. So they want to shift to a houses where they can stay together. Then from there they can go to the affected area because they don't want to go home because it might affect the family members of their respected houses also. So I help them also. The ASHA workers, they've done a wonderful job. Now the government also has given them a place to stay. See, in those affected areas, there are houses which are really very congested. So that is a problem for them. So they have to contain in certain areas where it is affected, not the whole of Lower Mawprem, but in certain areas where it is affected. They have done the full containment. Like in Lumdiengjri, the whole area of that Muslim compound has been contained. They have a lot of problem there, so, but I could really help them also by providing them ration, this food and this and that. But now it's a bit under control now. In my constituency, the handling by the government is okay. They don't complain that they didn't handle it properly. The moment they know that there is a cases in that particular area, they contain that whole area. And then I got a very good response from the district administration. The magistrate is doing very well. The health department also in coordination with them, they are doing well. In my